Take a deep breath and exhale slowly and calmly. Relax and immerse yourself in your feelings and inner experiences for a short while. Take another deep breath in and out, focusing on the smells you are smelling right now. Maybe you smell a faint, subtle smell emanating from something at a distance. Maybe the smell or scent originates from your immediate environment. Bring your hands to your nose and smell them. Totally immerse yourself in the world of smells. Do you remember the very first scents that you associate with your childhood? The smell of your parental home, maybe. Or the scent of your mother's perfume. Maybe you recall the smell of your favorite childhood food. Remember a smell you have known since childhood. Winter fresh smells, the smell of snow during walks, the fresh spring smells of budding leaves on trees, the smell of summer heat, the smell of rain, the smell of a campfire in nature, the smell of the first things you cooked yourself, maybe. In the moment, start recalling the favorite scents of your teenage years. Your first perfume or cosmetics. The smell of your first parties. The smells of loved ones that were dear to your heart. Maybe the smell of your favorite things. Tools and books, for examples. Travel from your past to the present while recalling your favorite scents. The smell of your happiest vacation. The smell of your favorite places. The smell of the sea of balmy nights. Maybe you recall the smells of physical intimacy. Special scents associated with loved ones. Maybe the smells you recall are those of a happy home or beloved children. Continue to travel from the past to the present while calling up pleasant scents. Remember the smells of your favorite holidays. The smell of Christmas. The smell of your favorite foods. Refresh in your memory the most pleasant smells of the morning. Your favorite smells during the day. The enjoyable smells of the evening. Or maybe the clean, comforting smell of fresh bed linen at night. Enjoy your ability to remember and be vividly aware of smells and scents. Let your true sensuality awaken. Continue to enjoy this inner experience. Dwell in your own universe of smells for a while. Breathe mindfully, noticing smells in the moment. Thank yourself for the practice. Remain hypersensitive to odors if you enjoy this resourceful state of consciousness.